Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do a very easy stitch, one row repeat, perfect for you guys, the beginners. With this yarn I'm gonna use 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, which is 8/0. This stitch, like I said, has only one row repeat, goes really fast. You can do scarves, you can do hats, you can do so many things. The stitch is reversible. I'm gonna show you the sample after I show you how to work this stitch. Okay, with this stitch you're gonna chain even numbers. So I have here 12 chains. After you chain, as long as you want the chain, we're gonna skip the first chain, and into the second chain from the hook I'm gonna flip the chain, and I'm gonna work on the back through the bumps. So skip the first chain, and into the second chain we're gonna go in there and do a single crochet. So this row is gonna be single crochet in each chain. So move to the next chain, single crochet. If you want to do a scarf, I think it's nice to work on the back of the chain, and you're gonna have stitches on the bottom, perfect for in case you wanna put tassels. Or if you do a blanket with this stitch, if you want to put a border, at least the top and the bottom, you're gonna have the stitches easy to attach the border. So in each chain we're gonna do single crochet. Even numbers, goes really fast, one row repeat. For you guys, the beginners, to practice is just perfect for a scarf, for a hat, for a blanket. So in the last chain we did a single crochet, and now we're gonna chain one. You always gonna chain one, and then turn your work. Into the first stitch we're gonna do a single crochet. Okay, through the stitch like normal. Into the next stitch, yarn over the hook, we're gonna go through the front loop. So the stitch has two loops, front, and this one is the back. So we're gonna go through the front, and the back loop it's pushed back. Pull up a loop, yarn over the hook, go back again through that front loop, and pull the yarn again. So I'm gonna go only twice. Yeah, so if I go only twice through the stitch, I will have 2, 4, 5 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn through all these 5 loops. Now into the next stitch we're gonna go through the stitch, and you should have 2 loops. Yeah, so we're gonna do a single crochet, and we're gonna alternate like this. Yarn over the hook, into the next stitch, through the front loop only. Yeah, and the back loop it's pushed back here, because we're gonna work through that back loop next row. So pull up the yarn, yarn over the hook, go back again into that, through the front loop, pull the yarn, 5 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all these 5 loops. Into the next stitch, through the stitch like normal, 2 loops on the hook, there, do a single crochet. Yarn over the hook, next stitch, through the front loop, we're gonna do a puff. 5 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 5 loops. Next stitch, single crochet, and we're gonna alternate like this. Okay, into the next stitch, through the front loop, and the back loop it's pushed back once, yarn over the hook, go back again, pull another loop, 5 loops, pull the yarn through all 5 loops. Into the next stitch, single crochet. Okay, yarn over the hook, next stitch, through the front loop, we're gonna do a puff. 5 loops, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, and at the end we have 1 stitch left in which we're gonna do single crochet. So we started in the first stitch with a single crochet, we're gonna finish with a single crochet in the last stitch. Okay, chain 1, turn your work into the first stitch, and from this moment forward this will be the row that you are gonna repeat. Well, not this one, the next one. So into the first stitch, single crochet, yarn over the hook, and now into the next stitch we're gonna go below, and we have a line right under the puff. It's a line, so yarn over the hook, go and pick up that line underneath the puff, and we're gonna do a puff once, yarn over the hook, go back again underneath that line, pick up yarn, 5 loops, pull the yarn through all 5 loops into the next stitch right here, single crochet. Next stitch is the puff, and we're gonna go below the line. It's right here, and you're gonna pick up that line. So once, yarn over the hook, go back again underneath that line, pull another loop, 5 loops, pull the yarn through all 5 loops into the next stitch, single crochet, yarn over the hook. Next stitch is the puff, and we're gonna go below. Well, the next row is gonna be much easier because this line is not gonna be on top, underneath the puff. Next stitch, single crochet, yarn over the hook. Next stitch underneath the puff is that line, and you're gonna do a puff. You can go 3 times if you want, depends on your yarn size, but this one is quite thick, so I'm gonna go only twice. Next stitch, single crochet, yarn over the hook. Next stitch is the puff, and we're gonna go underneath that line and do a puff. Pull the yarn through all 5 loops, and the last stitch, single crochet, chain 1, turn your work. And now it's gonna be easy from this moment forward because the line is not underneath the puff, it's right here on top of the puff from the previous row. So into the first stitch, single crochet, just to have a nice edge, yeah, with a single crochet in the beginning and at the end. So yarn over the hook. The next stitch, you have the line right here, yeah, on top of that puff. So you're gonna do a puff, and it's gonna go fast this way. You're gonna pull the yarn through all those 5 loops. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, the line is right here. See? And you're gonna do a puff. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, I'm gonna do a puff, and the line is right here. And it looks a little bit different like this because this line is gonna give you like a V, like a U, well, upside down U. So the next stitch, we're gonna go through that line, do a puff, and this is the row that you're gonna repeat on and on and on. Next stitch is the puff, and the line is right here. Pull the yarn through all 5 loops, and at the end we have the single crochet, the stitch, the last one, and it's gonna look like this. It's quite nice. After you chain 1, turn your work, and the first stitch, single crochet. Let's do 1 more row, and then I'm gonna stop. So you see the lines, they're right here, these ones, and it's so easy to pick up the line. And you do a puff there. Next stitch right here, single crochet. Next stitch, the line is right here. You cannot miss it. Well, for you guys, the beginners, maybe you should use only 1 color and it's gonna be easy, because if you use variegated yarn and you have dark color, you might not see it, yeah? So the lines are right there. Next stitch, single crochet. next stitch, there is the line, next stitch, single crochet. And like I said, this stitch has one row repeat, goes really fast, so you can use this stitch for with any yarn size. Next stitch we have the puff that we're gonna do, and the last stitch at the end, single crochet, and it's gonna look like this. And it's quite nice, this stitch, and it's reversible, the same. So you're gonna chain one, turn your work, and you're gonna repeat. The lines are right here, this one, and in between you have single crochet. I'm gonna show you the sample. So I use a thicker yarn to show you how to do this stitch, but this sample I used the 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. So the stitch is reversible, looks quite nice, this one, and the sides are okay. Yeah. So this is the other side. It's quite nice for you guys, the beginners, or even if you are advanced, you want to work something fast and you don't need to concentrate. This one is quite nice. So if you want to give a try to this stitch, please do. I don't know what name to give to this stitch. I have no clue. I came up with this stitch. I don't know what name to put. If some of you have an idea, please do tell me. That will be great. Yeah. And it's reversible. You can do hats, gloves, so many things you can do with this. And it's quite how you say, dense. Yeah. Like I said, this is with 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, but this one is with 5.0, a little bit thicker. So if you like a warm, thick, or a blanket or a scarf, use any yarn size you like. Yeah, it's quite nice, and it goes fast. Well, I hope you enjoy. Give it a try, and of course, after you finish the project, if you like, you can put at the end single crochet in each stitch if you like. But this is quite nice and fun. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.